Hi guys, Ali G here from Ali G Studios. Today we're going to be talking about photographing people who are not models. Tip number one, remember, always have an icebreaker. People who are not used to being photographed will be a little bit nervous, they'll be a little bit anxious, so you need to kind of find a way to connect with them right from the start and make them relax. Hi there, how are you? Nice to see you. You look amazing today.
Thank you.
I see you've got a good hair day. I've got a no hair day. Tip number two, you need to show people how to pose. Always remember, flat equals fat. The more body mass you show against the camera, the wider you're going to look. So whichever angle you prefer, doesn't matter, but always have a little bit of an angle to the camera. Also try to lean forward a little bit. That way you define more of the jawline. So tip number three, remember to communicate and give feedback. People who are not models need to be told all the time if they're doing a good job. Also helps to build confidence. So I like this angle on you. Remember, taller, more majestic, especially as a lady.
Okay.
Okay, right? And lastly, tip number four, make sure you have fun. The person should walk away from the experience feeling like they had a really good time. Maybe they can recommend you to another client as well. Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please check out the blog. The link is in the comments below. Thank you.